We can solve this problem easily by first expanding 12. We can write 12 as 4 times 3. That gives us 12 raised to the power 3. And that equals 2 to the power of y times 3 all to the power of y. Then according to the law of indices, we can rewrite 4 as 2 to the power of 2. And that times 3 all to the power of 3. It equals 2 to the power of y times 3 to the power of y. So we can go ahead to share this power, distribute it. Then we're going to have 2 to the power of 2 all to the power of 3. Then times 3 all to the power of 3. And that equals 2 to the power of y times 3 all to the power of y. Then we can multiply this power and we have 2 to the power of 6 times 3 to the power of 3 equals 2 to the power of y times 3 to the power of y. Well, there's a strange problem here. If you notice, we have a base of 2 same as the base of 2. We have a base of 3 same as the base of 3. Then this logically means that we can compare the power. But when you check this, y can be equal to 6 and at the same time equal to 3 when they have the same base. So it means that we have made some mathematical error here. If you can detect the error, let me know in the comments. So let's move further with another method. Now this time around, instead of us expanding 12, we are going to be combining 2 and 3. So we have 2 to the power of y times 3 to the power of y. And according to the law of indices, we can join them together since they have the same power of y. That's allowed due to the law of indices. Then we can go ahead to say 12 to the power of 3 equals 2 times 3 is 6. That's 6 all to the power of y. Then also, to make this easier, we can rewrite 12 as 6 times 2 all to the power of 3. And that equals 6 to the power of y. Right? Then, let's go ahead and share the power like we have done before. Then here we're going to have 6 to the power of 3 times 2 to the power of 3. And that equals 6 all to the power of y. Then since these two have the same base, let's just go ahead to divide both sides by 6 to the power of 3. That's 6 to the power of 3, right? Then here we're going to have this to cancel this. And we're going to be left with 2 to the power of 3. And that will be equals to 6 to the power of y minus 3. That is, we subtract the power because of the division. So let's take log of both sides. So we're going to have log of 2 to the power of 3. And that equals log of 6 to the power of y minus 3. Let's make our log in base 6, log base 6, right? So that 3 comes behind and y minus 3 comes behind also. So we have 3 log 2 base 6 equals y minus 3 log 6 base 6. Then we know log 6 base 6 gives us 1. Therefore, we're going to have 3 log 2 base 6 to be equals y minus 3. Then let's move further to transpose to the other side. And then we're going to have 3 plus 3 log 2 base 6. And that equals y. Then factorize 3 gives us 3 into brackets 1 plus log 2 base 6. And that equals y. Now this is our final answer, but if you want an approximate solution, then using our calculator, 3 times 1 plus log 2 base 6 will give us approximately 4.16056 as our final answer. And guys, don't forget, let us know why the first method did not work. And also, don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Have a good day.